Support prices with regulations. Supporting prices with regulations, particularly those related to antitrust or fair trade, is a nuanced topic that requires careful consideration. These regulations are primarily designed to ensure a competitive market environment and to protect consumers from unfair practices, rather than to directly support or maintain prices for businesses. Here's a breakdown of how these regulations function and the implications for businesses attempting to leverage them to support prices. Antitrust regulations and fair trade regulations. Antitrust regulations. Antitrust laws, such as the Sherman Act in the United States, the Competition Act in Canada, or the Competition Act 1998 in the UK, are designed to prevent anti-competitive practices that can harm consumers and the economy. These include monopolies, cartels, and price-fixing agreements. The intent behind these laws is to promote healthy competition, leading to better products, services, and prices for consumers. Businesses found in violation of antitrust laws can face severe penalties, including substantial fines and legal action. Fair trade regulations. Fair trade regulations aim to promote fairness and equality in the trading relationships between developed and developing countries. These are more about ensuring ethical practices in international trade, such as fair pricing, good working conditions, and sustainable practices, rather than supporting the price levels of individual businesses or industries within domestic markets. Implications for businesses. Legal and financial risks. Attempting to use regulations to artificially support or fix prices can lead to significant legal and financial consequences. Engaging in price fixing, for example, is considered a serious antitrust violation that can result in hefty fines and damage to a company's reputation. Competitive fairness. The essence of antitrust and fair trade regulations is to ensure a level playing field where businesses compete based on the quality, value, and innovation of their products or services. This environment encourages efficiency, creativity, and consumer choice. Ethical considerations. Ethical business practices are increasingly important to consumers, investors, and partners. Utilizing regulations in a manner inconsistent with their intended purpose of protecting competition and consumers can harm a business's brand and stakeholder relationships. Competing fairly and ethically. For businesses, the focus should be on competing fairly and ethically in the marketplace. Competing fairly and ethically involves innovation, efficiency, transparency. Innovation. Developing new and improved products or services that offer genuine value to consumers. Efficiency. Finding ways to reduce costs and pass those savings on to consumers without compromising quality. Transparency. Being open and honest about pricing, the sourcing of materials, and the production processes. While regulations like antitrust and fair trade play crucial roles in maintaining competitive markets and protecting consumer rights, they are not mechanisms for businesses to support or fix prices. Companies should focus on innovation, efficiency, and ethical practices to compete in the marketplace. Leveraging the intended purpose of these regulations can help maintain a healthy competitive environment that ultimately benefits both businesses and consumers.